you tired of feeling stressed about your finances? You're not alone. Most people spend their money unconsciously. In this video, I'll reveal common bad money habits and how to break free from them. Let's start with the problem. Many of us have a habit of paying ourselves last. This means we focus on our expenses first. This habit can leave little for savings or investment. Next, we'll discuss bad debt. Bad debt can drain your finances. It's often high interest, loans or unused credit. The goal is to avoid this type of debt. Now let's talk about having a financial buffer. Without it, any unexpected expense can derail your budget. Aim to save at least 3 months of expenses for security. Understanding your income and expenses is crucial. Track what you earn and what you spend. This clarity helps you make informed financial decisions. When it comes to spending, awareness is key. Avoid impulsive purchases and consider whether each expense aligns with your goals. Saving consistently also deserves attention. Make it a priority to allocate a portion of your income to savings every month. This builds financial security over time. Taxes are inevitable but can be managed. Be aware of tax deductions and credits. Knowing your obligations can prevent surprises in tax season. Finally, don't wait too long to invest. Investing early can lead to greater returns. It's important to start as soon as you can. Let's summarize the key points. Pay yourself first. Avoid bad debt. Build a financial buffer. Track your income and expenses. Spend intentionally. Save consistently. Manage taxes wisely. And start investing early. Now you have the tools to break your bad money habits. Take control of your financial future today. Remember to subscribe for more tips on financial well-being.